The work that Angel Express has done over the last decade of giving access to learning. So it's skills, it's social skills. They're going on to, earn scholarships and going to college and getting better jobs. Yes, Angel Express is doing remarkable work to make a real difference.
When I give something, it returns in 1,000 times.
When I see the smiling faces of my children every day, just nothing like it.
They are my children. English and maths, both.
कैसा लगता है लोगों?
What's nice?
I think these children need love. They come from such a deprived background. Just interacting with people like us, is a game changer.
When we are so blessed, when we are so privileged, I think it's time for us to give back to the society.
Think of their parents, what they are seeing. Throughout their life, they are doing hard work and their life is in the dark. Because of AXF, they could see the good part of the society.
When you see the difference, you can make with that 1 hour of coming daily and interacting with the children, it's amazing. The satisfaction you get with that is just amazing.
When you're doing something good for somebody, you're at peace at the end of the day that you have done something good.
Every day I would get up at 4 in the morning and was looking forward to going to the center.
I just come here, I enjoy with them, they enjoy with me.
Angel Express came into my life and my days have changed absolutely after that, because I know I'm being productive, I'm able to give back, I'm working for what I really wanted, really passionate. And when I see the smiling faces of my children every day, just nothing like it.
I think as we grow to be adults, we lose the child in us. And when you're interacting with a child, that's what you learn to just be. And I think these children need love.
I love them and I know they love me. So I'm happy, very happy.
This is like my family, like my home. This is my happy place.
The growth and success of the children, when I witness in their sparkling eyes, that's where I find my real treasure.
If we can even change a few lives, I think it's very well worth.
So we are soaring high in the sky with AXF.
Now I'm 74 years. The energy comes from the children is immense. So I don't feel I'm aged or I don't have energy. It's other way around. As I've said, when I give something, it returns in 1,000 times.
We've only just scratched the surface. There is so much more to do, so many more children to reach. But we can do that only if more people join us. So I wanted to say this to people who've ever thought about volunteering or about giving back to society. Join us. We're a good place to be. Maybe your life will change too.